Welcome to Class 10 Insight. We are here with an important problem of trigonometry. A 1.5-meter tall boy is standing at some distance of 30-meter tall building. So, we have a 30-meter tall building here. A boy is standing at some distance. Initially, he will be standing here at AB. So, his eyes will be here. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. According to the question, the boy will be standing here first. His angle of elevation towards a 30-meter tall building will be 30 degree. Then he walks some distance. Let us say he stands at point F. Then the angle of elevation to the top of the building from the eyes of the boy increases to 60 degree. That is when he is going to walk towards the building. We are supposed to find the distance he walked towards the building. If we take this distance as x and this distance as y, so we will have to find the distance x, for which we will be considering the triangle ACG. If we consider tan ratio, we have to take opposite by adjacent. But the adjacent value is sum of x and y. Only then we will be getting this value AE, which is equal to BF. AE and BF are equal. This is the distance the boy is going to walk when he is heading towards the building. To find out the x value, we need y value, because when we consider this whole triangle, we need the value of the base. From the diagram, it is very clear that AE is equal to BF. EG is equal to FD. Hence, we will be finding the value of x, which is nothing but the distance the boy is going to walk towards the building. Coming back to the mathematical calculation. We know that AB is the height of the boy, nothing but EF, which is also same as GD. Hence, we can take this GD measurement as 1.5 meter. From the diagram, we know that the complete height is 30 meter. Now, when we deduct 1.5 meter from that 30 meters, we are left with the remaining height. This is the remaining height we are left with. So, on subtracting 1.5 from 30 meter, we will be having 28.5 meters. So, this height is 28.5 meters. That is nothing but the length of CG is 28.5 meters. Now, let us consider triangle ECG. Considering tan ratio, tan 60 is equal to, we know that tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. So, which is the side opposite to the angle 60 degree? It is side CG divided by adjacent is EG. From the diagram, we very well know that CG is 28.5 meter divided by what is EG value? We take it as y. It is from the diagram. And we all know that tan 60 value is root 3. Take y to LHS. Root 3y is equal to 28.5. What about y value? It is nothing but 28.5 divided by root 3. On dividing and multiplying the numerator and denominator to rationalize, we will be getting the value as 28.5 root 3 divided by 3. Root 3 into root 3 is root 3 whole square, that is nothing but 3. On simplifying this, 3 ones are 3 9s are 27, remaining 1 decimal point as it is 9.5. Hence, y value is 9.5 root 3 meters. Now let us consider triangle ACG, where we will be finding out x. Now, tan 30 is equal to, again, opposite by hypotenuse. The side that is opposite to 30 degree is CG divided by the adjacent side to angle 30 degree is AG. CG value from the diagram, we know that it is 28.5, whereas AG value from the diagram is x plus y. Hence, I'll take it as x plus y. And we all know the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Taking x plus y to LHS, it goes to the numerator, 28.5 into root 3. We all know the value of y is 9.5 root 3. Hence, x is equal to 28.5 root 3. Let us substitute the value of y. X is equal to 28.5 root 3 minus 9.5 root 3, that is equal to 19 root 3 meter. Hence, the distance AE, which is equal to BF, that is equal to x. Its value is 19 root 3 meter. That is the distance the boy is going to cover when he is heading towards the building. Hope the solution is clear.